Hello, this video here is going to teach you how to submit your driver's license, your insurance card, and your pay stubs throughout the semester. Remember, we need to keep a running total of this, and we are going to add them in through Google Sheets. So you've opened up your file, you have your Google Sheets here. The first thing you're going to do is put in your name here. And once that gets put in, it's gone. The color is gone. You need to insert your driver's license image here. So how we get an image in here is we're going to go to Insert, Image, in Cell. So we've already uploaded our image through CanScammer or saved it to our Chromebook or whatever we were using, our phone. And you're going to hit Browse. And you're going to click on an image. And you'll upload it there, and it'll put it in this cell. It'll look tiny, just like this one does right now, and that's perfectly fine. Then you're going to go to your insurance card and do the same process. Coming down here, let's take a look at the example. I'm going to show you how to deal with this example here. So pay period start date, pay period end date, hours, picture of pay stub. So you're going to put in the date that you start, the date that you end, how many hours on that pay period, and then a picture of the pay stub. So you're going to come over here to this, click on the number 4. I'm going to go between 4 and 5, get 2 arrows, and I can click and drag, and you'll see it makes this picture bigger. So what I was looking at there with that picture is we need your name on the check, your dates that you worked, so the pay period here, the hours that you worked in that pay period, we don't care about the total hours at this point, and the employer information, so advanced heating and air conditioning, or up here it says advanced heating and air, that information. You'll insert the image here. Insert, image, in cell. It'll be the same thing. You're going to browse and upload it through your CAM scanner. You'd put the date and the number of hours. This cell right here will keep a running total for you. So you'll always see right at the top how many hours you've worked that semester. And that is how you're going to use this piece very simply. Oh, and one last thing. I don't want to see this cell anymore or see it so big. I just click back here and drag it up. Now my paycheck is really small again, and I can put in all of my information. You will start putting your pay stubs in right on this line here. So I put in my date today, or the date that the pay period started, date the pay period ended, how many total hours I worked in that pay period, and the picture. Let me know if you have any problems. Have a great day.